Another stunning water location, the waterfront in Port Macquarie. It's the Royal Hotel. It's the marina over in that direction, and I'm in search of a coffee. So this is Lighthouse Beach, Port Macquarie, and you can see the lighthouse up there on the hill, and then amazing views to the south from this vantage point. Look out. I love this part of the coast. It's just gnarly and wild. There's lots of rugged, yeah, it's quite rugged, a lot of the coastline around Port Macquarie. Wow. Every year in Australia, people, often visitors from other countries, attempt to fish from rocky ledges or like that one, and get swept off by freak waves, and sadly a lot of them drown. Which is just another reminder of how powerful and potentially dangerous nature can be. Well, I reckon if I walk up to the lighthouse, the view from there will be towards the northern, towards the north, so a great view of the northern coastline. So this is a spot I discovered late last year when I came here, and there are no camping signs, and there are no parking signs. Right on the water, downtown Port Macquarie, and I'm gonna hang around and make some dinner here. And then later on I'll decide whether I'll stay here the night, park up here, or find somewhere else. Good morning. So it was recommended to me to check out a place called Dunbogan, which is roughly a half-hour drive south of Port Macquarie. So it's still quite early. There's lots of people exercising, walking their dogs. Another beautiful morning. Sun's rising over to the east. I'm not east facing, so I probably won't see the sun until a little bit later. Still in the harbour, near the harbour, and the plan is probably to do some more work today, grab a coffee once the coffee shops are open, or maybe even make a coffee before then. Whoa, something just jumped out of the water. So this is the road trip that keeps on giving. I am in Katang Nature Reserve. I was intending to work from the van this morning, but I can't resist going for a walk in this nature reserve. I'm in an area south of Port Macquarie, Dunbogan, around that area, and wow, this is just breathtaking. Scenery is just amazing. So I am going to go for a longish walk. There are some trails around here, so yeah, I'll catch you later.